During Ramadan, we are providing you the chance to support cataract surgery for the most poor in Bangladesh to recover their vision and avert blindness. The only option for these people to escape the terrible cycle of severe poverty, which regrettably makes them more and more vulnerable owing to their eyesight loss, is to provide cataract surgery. To restore someone's vision, you can do cataract surgery for just $110. Because of your kind donation, they will get a second opportunity to live a normal life with full eyesight. Alhamdulillah, with your sadaqah jariyah, you will be able to empower this ummah.